Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively in nursing. Mastering nursing concepts requires more than just reading. It demands active engagement. We'll explore 4 powerful techniques: active recall, spaced repetition, concept mapping, and practice questions. These methods are proven to enhance your understanding and long-term retention of vital information, preparing you for both exams and real-world clinical scenarios. Let's dive into how you can implement these strategies to excel in your nursing studies. Active recall is about actively pulling information from your memory rather than passively rereading notes. This technique significantly strengthens neural connections, making information easier to retrieve later. For instance, use flashcards with questions on one side and answers on the other, quizzing yourself regularly. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, like the day after a lesson, then 3 days later, and then a week later. This prevents forgetting and embeds knowledge deeply. Concept mapping is a visual tool that helps you organize and connect complex nursing information. Start with a central topic, like a patient diagnosis, and branch out to related factors such as symptoms, interventions, and outcomes. Using different colors and shapes can help categorize information and highlight relationships. This method is excellent for understanding the big picture of patient care, improving critical thinking, and bridging the gap between theory and practice in real-world situations. Practice questions are crucial for preparing for exams and applying your knowledge. Regularly engage with multiple-choice questions and case studies, focusing on understanding the rationales for both correct and incorrect answers. This helps identify knowledge gaps and improves critical thinking. Many nursing students find it beneficial to complete at least 50 to 100 practice questions each week. This consistent practice builds confidence and familiarizes you with the exam format, ensuring you are well prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.